fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We're breaching attention block 3.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen. Snapping off. Fire.
These safe pods just below us. Take the lifts down. We'll cover you. Hurry! No, not up! I said down! This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all Resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Voilà, faut tout que je tienne parce que quand on va tomber les sabres et tout là, je sais pas. Déjà j'aime pas tomber comme ça dans le vide. Non, mais ça et tout.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
Mais de nuit c'est sympa quand même.
Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your